everybody. Hey, it's Goldendoodle Dandies here. Hey, check out Ceasar and Lily. They're destined to be soulmates and have many, many beautiful white goldendoodles in the future. But right now is the first time they have ever met. So, check it out. Is it love? Is it love that we're waiting for? Is it love that we're waiting for? What do you think about the whole situation, Ceasar? Oh, there's that girl again. I think she has a crush on you, Ceasar. I bet. Who could not have a crush on that little baby thing right here? Welcome to Goldendoodle Dandies. Welcome, Ceasar. His name is... Oh. He's like, hey, take it easy there. You're getting a little excited, doll. Welcome to Goldendoodle Dandies. All right, say bye, y'all. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.